to listen and I can sit and stay. I'm not opposed to getting neutered someday. I'm mostly housebroken and come when you call my name. But if the ultimatum's keeping you or the dog, with all my love I choose the dog. I can roll over and fetch you diamond rings. I won't bite the mailman or drool on your things. Yes, I will be faithful. I won't engage in off-leash flings. But if the ultimatum's keeping you or the dog, with all my love I choose the dog. Now I'm out here homeless, tasting freedom like a stray. You told me take the dog and die alone in a cave. So we're howling at the moon in a dumpster dive parade. 'Cause humans are replaceable, the dog is here to stay. So if the ultimatum's keeping you or the dog, with all my love I choose the dog. Yes, when it boils down to making love or shaking paws, with all my heart I choose the dog.